An example of a turnkey power unit supplied by EKOL is the construction of the environmentally friendly biopower plant in the premises of the heating plant Frýdek-Místek, Sviadnov. It burns biofuel wood chips, which are stored in open, sheltered depots. The wood chips are delivered in trucks, from which they are discharged into the storage area, using the truck's special equipment. The wood chips are transported to the filling area of the first grab transporter by the grab of the manipulator. This filling is done using hydraulically driven jibs on the moving floor. All activities in the storage area, including the grab and the screw conveyor, are completely automated. The larger so-called oversized parts, which are poured into the prepared skip, are removed from the wood chips in the drum separator. The wood chips are delivered by the grab transporter to the upper platform with a conveyor belt. The horizontal conveyor belt is used for the removal of the metals from the wood chips and for its continuous weighing. The equipment for fuel samples extraction is also located here. The wood chips are tipped from the conveyor belt to a tank in front of the boiler, where they are later spread by a hydraulic spreader and transporter to the screw feeders, which move them to the boiler grate. The boiler unit consists of one EKOL RKF26 boiler, which produces 29 tons of steam per hour. The wood chips burn on the grate of the furnace of the boiler, with the heat load of 800 megajoules per cubic meter per hour. We already have the sorted biofuel with low emission burning parameters. The burning on the grate is monitored by CCTV from the control center. Cinder and ash from the boiler and also from the ash separator are sprinkled by water and moved to the collection skips by the belt conveyor. The steam from boiler to turbine is taken from the boiler house to the turbine hall through a partition. In the turbine hall, the steam is taken through the regulating valves of the precisely controlled EKOL steam back-pressured turbine with an output of 5.8 megawatts at 9,466 revolutions per minute. The estimated annual amount of electricity production is 36 gigawatt hours. The steam goes upright of the turbine to the horizontal piping and then downwards to the heat exchanger. The power from the turbine through the gearbox and generator is delivered to the electric grid. The seal steam condenser forms part of the turbine set, as well as the vacuum station. Cooling water is treated with chemicals against corrosion of the piping in the set of trassar equipment. Equipment for filtering the cooling water is located in a separate part of the water treatment plant. The cooling towers are installed outside of the turbine hall. The boiler feeding water system is part of the chemical water treatment plant. The flue gases from the boiler pass through the electrostatic filter by insulated piping and up to the plant stack. All the power plant's equipment is controlled from the air-conditioned control center. All processes information is electronically sent here, and all necessary guiding signals are given from here. The construction of the biopower plant took an extremely short time, only 10 months. The biopower plant provides environmentally friendly substitution of fossil fuels at the amount of 18,000 tons per year, which represents 340 wagons of black coal. Emissions of carbon dioxide are cut by more than 40,000 tons per year. This highly efficient biopower plant, producing heat and electricity, was completely designed and supplied as a turnkey project by the EKOL Group and provides the operator with highly reliable operation and a quick return on investment.